In this video, I want to show you how to use Gua Sha. Gua Sha is a tool that is used to massage your facial muscles. It gives you really good results. It improves circulation, collagen production. It improves the look of wrinkles and tightens and sculpts your face. So this is very simple to use. I bought this Gua Sha together with a roller, and in another video we will talk about how to use the roller as well. This is made out of quartz natural stone. This is cool. So today we're doing Gua Sha, and I'm going to do neck, decollete, and face. So in addition to the tool itself, Gua Sha, you need an oil or a moisturizer to apply. I usually love to use Babor Rejuvenating Oil for any time I do massage to my face. So just a few drops, distributed. I actually have makeup on for the video, so I'm not putting as much as I normally would put. And we're going to start with the neck, and we want to do movements like that towards the ear. So anytime from the middle to the ear, so from the bottom to the ear. I'm going to start using this side here, and let's just divide our face in half, and we're going to do 1 and do 3 movements like this. Next, we're going to do from chin to ear. 1, 2, 3. From below the mouth to the ear. 1, 2, and 3. From the corner of the mouth to the ear. You see the idea, it's always in the same direction. From the middle of the face to the ear. And 3. Now let's do it from the nose to the ear. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to the forehead. So right above the eyebrow, 1, 2, and 3. Middle of the forehead, 1, 2, and 3. And below the hairline, 1, 2, and 3. You see my face got a little bit red. This is good. This is bringing blood to your skin. That improves the circulation. It gets rid of toxins. It improves the look of puffiness. It helps regenerate the skin cells. So we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And for the décolleté, we're going to work in 1 inch. And I use this side, this like top of the heart. This is how, and this is another technique you could use on your face too, just in small sections. That's not how I did it, but you can experiment with what works best. And I actually like this side for the jawline. I didn't show you that before, but it works really well to define the jawline. So follow my videos for more information on beauty, wellness, and health. I have a lot of videos now. I just released the video on how to improve the look of your neck, and I think you should watch that video next. Until next time.